We at W.A. Perry, we tried to get a grant for the NASA STEM Challenge, and we were successful in receiving that grant. So it's a grant by NASA that is done by NASA, and we have to get a set of kids together, and they have to work together and use the engineering process, which is 8 steps based on how to solve problems. So they was given a task where they had to develop a CEV, which is a crew exploration vehicle that had to have two passengers. The passengers had to have constraints, which are seat belts. So they had to find ways and research about different constraints, different types of CVs, how the models, how the different ones are built.
First, we talked about how constructing a CEV. Then we went over a paper to see how we gonna do it. And then we started constructing our model.
And then once they did that, they had to come together and collaborate to build a prototype. And they worked in groups of 4 in order to build these prototypes. So once they had the prototypes built, then from there, they had to actually test the prototypes that they built and then retest them, because they had to drop it from 3 different heights. And then once they did that, if any of the astronauts in their vehicles fell out of their constraints, they had to go back and rebuild them again.
We had to see which one could approve, and if they would crash, they would have to reconstruct them and make them build them faster, stronger, and better.
What made me want to take the NASA after school program so I can get engaged with how aerospace works. So like if I want to go scribe and do it one day, I know how to start it off.